There are many causes for hand and wrist pain, but some are much more common than others, and I generally group them into trauma, arthritis, tendinitis, and things having to do with your nerves. Trauma is any sort of injury, and it can be an injury to your bones, or it can be injury to things in your body that aren't bones, such as your skin or tendons or ligaments. You can have a trauma like a broken bone or a crushed finger or a sports injury. Arthritis is joint inflammation, joint pain. Oftentimes this comes from wear and tear, but it can also come from an injury. Tendinitis is inflammation of a tendon. It's not only extremely common, but it's much more painful than people would think, and oftentimes people are surprised to hear that their significant pain is coming from tendinitis. Nerve-related issues are also common, and generally these have to do with the nerve being squeezed or compressed, which is not something a nerve likes to be, and tends to cause a lot of pain.